I'm going through it, you guys. My mommy doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to leave this room with my hair blonde. If you know anything about me, you know that I love dyeing my hair. And my scalp has healed from the last few times that I dyed it. I even stopped dyeing it black because I need my hair to not be as deep as it was before. So my hair is currently, I think it's in a good shape, it's in a good position, it's in a good length actually, because my waves can still show after I dye it. It's in a good length for me to dye my hair, and I'm super excited to do it. And my auntie is here. I recruited her to assist me. Fun fact about my auntie, she used to make hair. She actually is a hairdresser. So fun. She's going to assist me with dyeing my hair. I have all the tools. Let me show you. So here's what I have. I did not get gloves, but we're going to improvise. I have my dye. I have a couple of dyes here, but then first of all, I'm going to go blonde. I have what I'm putting my dye into. I have my developers. I have my toner. From last time, I did not tone my hair. I did, however, use purple shampoo. So I have my purple shampoo and my toner. So this is going to be exciting. Yeah.
Is enough.
It is? Okay. Auntie knows best. I'm nervous. We'll see if I should listen to my auntie or not, because she has told me that I shouldn't have put everything in. But according to me, as the fail that I want to be for the virality, I'm going to put everything. Actually, I put everything already. Super excited! So excited! Ooh, I should be doing this for TikTok. I don't know why I'm doing it for YouTube. Guess it's because I want to focus more on YouTube now. My baby curls. I did not do this the last time I was dyeing my hair. Mommy is going to freak out. She's going to be like, what are you doing? What do you look like? And Leila is going to come and she's going to freak out too. Finally, my hair is coated. I need to cover it right now. It's already beginning to sting. So once I cover it, I'll give it tops 45 minutes, then wash it. See ya. Huh? Hey Siri, set a timer for 40 minutes. Thank you, Auntie. As you can see, the color is already beginning to lift. There's no going back now. Even if I wanted to change my mind right now, there's no way I can do it, because the color is already lifting from my hair. And it's hot as heck. The heat is beating my... Ooh! The heat is doing a number on me, but I'm super excited. I want to see what the vibe is going to be like. I want to see the way it will turn out. I cannot wait. I want to hear what my dad's reaction will be. I want to hear what my mom's reaction will be. I want to see my sister's reaction. But yeah, this is kind of like me testing the grounds for what I could get away with in this house under my parents' roof. This is the first actual outlaw thing that I am ever doing. So let's hope and let's pray that it goes well. I don't know if you can see how hot my head is. From inside my head, I'm sweating. That's how hot this thing is. I have 9 minutes left on the clock. And this thing burns. It burns. I can't think straight because of how much it burns. Ooh, Lord have mercy. This is yellow. Take a closer look. That is yellow. That is yellow. My hair is yellow. But I kind of like this color. This color fits me. No, it doesn't. I need it platinum blonde. I need it white as a paper. Can you see the difference? Even though I used purple shampoo on the hair, it's still yellow. So we're going to go for another round of bleach once my scalp has rested, because right now my scalp is sore. Okay, round 2 in the same place. The second one is on, and easy. It's not easy. I am losing touch of reality. I need to set a timer for 20 minutes, so I'm going to crash out. For a few, and I'll get back to you, okay? Because this one, I don't know if it was the product, but I could no longer wait for that developer to do its damage on my hair. My head was on fire, but I got to the pale yellow color that I need to be able to use the toner. That was a nightmare. That was a nightmare to experience, honestly. Ooh, that was a nightmare. I was suffering. You have no idea. Are you kidding me? Well, this is the effect of a crash out, I would say. But I was suffering. I was not myself. Woo! Well, as it stands, my mom has completely disapproved of my hairstyle. So I'm about to style it. I need to apply purple shampoo, and it's looking a little, hold on, as I'm standing here, it's looking under the light, it's looking white. But when I go under the sun, hold on, but when I go under the sun right here, it's looking butter yellow. Time to style. I have this milk conditioner thing. It's just to get back my scalp, to revitalize my scalp, because right now my scalp is wounded. I have castor oil that I'm putting in my hair to help with the irritation. Then I have my actual hair cream that I'm going to use. So that's me after using all my hair care products. I just need to brush my hair. That's what's left. But my hair is really sore. My scalp is really sore. Ow. Oh, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and take a picture. When I go out later. Let me just do skincare. I have my CosRX Snail 92. That's what I use for my skin. It's supposed to work, but look at that. I don't know. Look at this. Look at that. Social media, the lies you tell me to get products, and this thing was expensive for. Kindness, if you're seeing this, you recommended this cream for me, this face cream. I hope you're happy that it's not working. Look at it. I like that. That's kind of one of the only things I like about this CosRX. First of all, I need to cover this hair because I need it to be a big reveal. I need it to have a shock factor, like, what did you do? No! Undo it! Crazy part is I can't undo it. Sorry, Mom. Actually, I can. I can if I wanted to. I have black hair dye here. I could just easily dye it back to black. Black. My scalp is too sore for me to tone, so I'm going to wait a few days before I tone. But until then, we're rocking the blonde, baby. Good evening, Daddy. Mommy saw it.
Go and wash it. Go and wash it. Go and wash it. It's not good. Go and wash it.
I can't dye it back to black right now because my scalp is irritated. Done it, so I can't dye it back, or else it will pain me.
This type of thing.
Anyways,
this is a bad this thing now. Do you see any good person doing his head like this? So this one is not good now. You don't even think. How bad boy? You didn't even seek permission. You just go and.
I'm going to get masa. I ordered masa for breakfast, and where I'm going to get it is within the estate. I got my parents' reactions yesterday. Super exciting. Not exciting when I was experiencing it, but exciting to say the very least. I'm going inside. Exciting to say the very least. Are they go inside? Hello? I'm going inside phase 4.
Which house?
The last one to get masa. Where they sell masa. What a weirdo. He's acting as if I don't live in this estate. Weird. I live in this estate, far. What a weirdo. Oh my god. Anyways, some people. Once again, the bag has been had. The bag has been had. Finally I can go home.